Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove Instagram Reels watermark on Instagram app. First we need go to the Instagram app on our phone, open, clicking on icon, then go to the profile page or Reels page, and here find the some videos you want to remove watermark on this video, and then click on the share button, and here click on the copy link, copy it. Okay, then go to back on your home page, and here go to the some browser on your phone. For example, I choose this browser, and here go to the site snapinsta.app. Find this site on your search bar, and then here find the past URL Instagram link. Just click on it and copy to this field link here and click on the download. Please wait. Okay, then scroll down, and here find the download video and file downloaded. As can we see, it work. We download the video without watermark, and we can use this video on our phone without watermark for our goal. And this all for this option on Instagram. This all for today. Goodbye.